Right now, still we are in grade 10, chapter 10. Grade 10, chapter 10. Quickly we will discuss again something regarding general journal. Something regarding general journal. Up to now, we have discussed cash book, petty cash book, bank account, purchase journal, sales journal. Okay, right. Those are the primary books we discussed up to now. Now, cash book, petty cash book, bank account, purchase journal, and sales journal. Okay, these are the primary book discussed up to now. Discuss up to now, huh? Discuss up to now. Grade 10, chapter 10. Right. Now, these are the topics we discuss up to now. Then I will give you again some idea regarding general journal. Last year also we discussed. Last year also we discussed general journal, but last year I was unable to give you the recording. Okay, and last day around 9 o'clock my Zoom package was expired. That's issue. Okay, right. Now then quickly I will give you some idea regarding general journal. Then here now transactions that cannot be recorded in these primary books. Transactions which cannot be recorded in these primary books should be recorded in general journal. Okay, transactions which cannot be recorded in any other primary book should be recorded in general journal. General journal, right? And then students, when you're recording a transaction in general journal, at first you need to create the source document. Then the source document is journal voucher. The source document is journal voucher. At first you need to create journal voucher. Okay, at first you need to get the you need to prepare the journal voucher. And then after preparing journal voucher, you need to get the required approvals. Okay, required approvals also for the transaction. Okay, to pass the double entry in the system, in the accounting system, you need to get the relevant approval from the relevant parties of the business organization, from the finance manager, from the finance controller. Okay, you need to get the relevant approval for the double entry. And then after getting relevant approval for the double entry through the journal voucher, you can record the transaction in general journal at first. You can record that transaction in the general journal at first. General journal. Then after recording transaction in general journal, you can pass these. You can record these transactions in the ledger accounts. Ledger accounts. At first also given, then primary book, then ledger accounts. Ledger accounts. Okay, right. Ledger accounts. Then students, then the source document relevant for the general journal is general voucher. General voucher. And then what are the transactions that we can record in general journal? Normally we have 7 transactions, but out of 7 transactions, in O level we need to discuss only 3 transactions. There are 7 transactions, but in O level we need to discuss only these 3 transactions. These 3 transactions. Adjusting entries, entries for correction of errors, purchase of property, plant and equipment on credit. Now, lastly I told you to write down in front of adjusting entries. In front of adjusting entry, you need to write down grade 11, chapter 5. In front of adjusting entries, you need to write down grade 11, chapter 5. Grade 11, chapter 5 is adjusting entries. Okay, accrued expenses, accrued income, bad debts, depreciation. Likewise, grade 11, chapter 5 is adjusting entries. And then correction of errors. In front of correction of errors, you need to write down grade 10, chapter 12. Grade 10, chapter 12. Correction of errors. Correction of errors. Grade 10, chapter 12. And then purchase of property, plant and equipment on credit basis. Purchase of fixed assets. Purchase of fixed assets on credit basis. We need to record in general journal. General journal. Okay, right. Then students, these are the transactions that we need to record in general journal. General journal. Right. And then last year we discussed question number 6 also. Last year we discussed question number 6. Right. Quickly, I will give you some idea regarding question number 6. Quickly, I will give you some idea regarding question number 6. Right. Now, look at the question number 6. Question number 6. Look at the question number 6, page number 11, general journal. This is the format of the general journal. Format of the general journal. Format. General journal format. And then here you need to write down the date. Date at first. Date. And then journal option number. And then here description. And then here LF. You need to write down LF. Page number of the opposite ledger account. Page number of the opposite ledger account. You need to write down here in the LF line. And then here description. Debit, credit. Right. Debit, credit. This is the format of general journal. Right. Then students, quickly we'll look at again question number 6. Look at the question number 6. Question number 6, first one. Purchase of an equipment on credit for the business use for 10,000 rupees from Silva and Company Private Limited on 28 February 2020. They purchase an equipment from Silva and Company on credit basis. Then we have a record in the general journal. Okay, purchase of fixed assets on credit basis should be recorded in general journal. We can't record in purchase journal, nah? Okay, need to be recorded in general journal. Then how to record the transaction? Here, 28 February, equipment account debit, DR, you need to write down DR here. Equipment account debit 10,000, and then Silva and Company credit 10,000. This is the entry. Okay. Equipment account debit 10,000. Silva and Company credit 10,000. And then instead you need to write down the narration here. Narration. How to write the narration? Narration means what? Small description regarding the transaction. Purchase of 10,000 worth of equipment from Silva and Company. We can rather write down purchase of 10,000 worth of equipment from Silva and Company. Okay, you need to write down a small narration. Why? Now we record different transactions in general journal. Therefore, we need to write the narration. Now in the sales journal, we record only credit sales. In the purchase journal, credit purchases of stocks. Therefore, no need to write down the description. Why? We know. We record in the purchase journal only credit purchases. We record in the sales journal only credit sales. No need to record the description. It's called narration. But in general journal, we record different transactions. Therefore, we need to write down the narration to identify the transaction. Okay, to identify the transaction, we need to write down the narration. Right. And then my second one. Second transaction, look at the second one. Credit sales of 20,000 has been recorded in wrong sides of ledger accounts. Now my second transaction is what? The second one is credit sales of 20,000. Credit sales of 20,000 has been recorded in wrong sides of ledger account. In wrong sides. Then credit sales, normally we need to record debtor account debit 20,000, sales account credit. Credit sales double entry, debtor account debit, sales account credit. But they have recorded in wrong sides. It means debtor account credit 20,000. Debtor account credit 20,000, sales account debit 20,000. It is wrong. Then how to correct this transaction? Then to correct this error, in accounting, if you done some mistakes, okay, if you done some mistake or an error, you need to correct that error passing double entries. Without passing double entries, you can't correct errors. You can't erase these figures. You can't erase. Erase okay, you can't erase and correct errors. When you correcting errors, You need to pass double entries. By passing double entries, you need to correct errors. In accounting softwares, in accounting systems, students, after passing a double entry, you can't reverse that double entry. You can't remove that one. You can't delete. If you pass a double entry, you can't delete again. You can't delete it again. Then you need to correct that one after passing a double entry. Without passing a double entry, you can't correct. Then how to correct this one? Lamai, in the data account, Lamai, you need to remove this 20,000. As well as in the data account, there should be a 20,000 balance. Lamai, to remove this 20,000, you need to debit 120,000. And then after correcting this error in the data account, there should be 20,000 balance. Bapak ya 20,000 remove කරන්නේ 20,000 යක් දානවා. ඊට පස්සේ මට කරන්නේ තමයි මේක ඇතුලේ තව 20,000 යක් ඉතුරු වෙන්න ඕනේ. නේද? You need to show the correct entry. එළම you need to debit another 20,000. Another 20,000. Okay, right nේද? It means altogether you need to debit total 40,000 to data account to correct this error. And එළම 40,000 minus 20,000 is remaining balance in the data account debit side 20,000. 20,000. And then to correct this error, you need to credit again 40,000 to sales account. 40,000 to sales account. 40,000 to sales account. Okay, 40,000 to sales account. Then the remaining balance of the sales account is credit 20,000. Then the correct entry is data debit 20,000, sales credit 20,000. Okay, then when you debited 40,000 to data account, remaining balance of the data account is 20,000. When you credited 40,000 to sales account, remaining balance of the sales account is now 20,000. 20,000. Okay, then how to correct this error? How to correct that error? How to correct that error? Data account debit 40,000. Data debit 40,000. Sales account credit 40,000. Sales account credit 40,000. Data account debit 40,000. Sales account credit 40,000. Okay. Now you need to write the narration. How to write the narration? Narration is correction of recording 20,000 credit sales in wrong sides. Okay, write the narration here. Write the narration here. Correction of recording 20,000 credit sales in wrong sides. Correction of recording 20,000 credit sales in wrong sides. Okay, right. Now second transaction. Then now I go to third one. Third transaction is what? Third transaction is here. Now I bad debts written off 5,000. Bad debts written off 5,000. Now I one of the adjusting entry. Bad debts written off 5,000. Now I bad debts. What do you mean by bad debts? Bad debts means unrecoverable balances from debtors. From debtors, we need to collect cash. But somehow, we are unable to collect 5,000 from debtors. Okay, we are unable to collect. There's a fixed narration. No. There is no fixed narration. Setum. Depending on the situation, you need to write down narration.
So what's the narration for the second transaction then?
Second one is the second one. We can write down it as correction of recording 20,000 credit sales in wrong sides. Oh, you can write down the same sentence within bracket. Okay, but better write down neither correction of neither. Likewise, neither. It is better to decorate the narration. Okay. Correction of recording, 20,000 of credit in the wrong size. Right. Tell me, bad debts. Bad debts means we can't recover 5,000 from debtors. We can't recover. Let's say, debtors. Debtors are assets to the business. Assets. We need to collect from them. We need to collect from debtors. Let's say we have 30,000 receivable from debtors. From debtors, we need to collect 30,000. 30,000. Why from debtors you need to collect 30,000. But because of death of a customer, now we are unable to recover 5,000 from a debtor. We are unable to recover 5,000 from a debtor. Tell me how to answer double entry. Debtors account credit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000. 5,000. Debtor credit, bad debts account debit. Okay. Right there. Debtor account debit, bad debts account debit. Sorry, debtor account credit, bad debts account debit. Tell me this double entry at first you need to record in general journal. After passing general journal, after recording this transaction in general journal, you can pass this double entry. Okay, before passing this double entry, at first you need to write down that one in the finance book, in the general journal. Tell me how to record in the general journal. You need to record debit entry at first. Debit entry at first. Then bad debts account debit. Bad debts account debit 5,000. Debtor account credit 5,000. Bad debts account debit 5,000. Debtor account credit 5,000. And then how to write the narration? How to write the narration? My narration how to write? Write off 5,000 from debtors as bad debts. Oh, bad debts written off 5,000. I have same sentence, no issue. Bad debts, bad debts written off 5,000. I have the same sentence. Bad debts written off 5,000. First transaction belongs to purchase of property, plant and equipment from credit basis. First transaction. Second transaction belongs to correction of error. Correction of error. Third transaction belongs to an adjusting entry. An adjusting entry. An adjusting entry. Third transaction. Adjusting entry. Now my adjusting entries again we can discuss in grade 11 now. Grade 11 chapter 5 we will discuss. Adjusting entries. 5. Correction of errors we can discuss. Correction of errors we can discuss. Right. Okay, right. Then these are the things we need to know. You need to know regarding general journal. Did we discuss the note given in the textbook? Did you discuss the note given in the textbook last day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Again look at the, quickly go to page number, quickly go to page number 142.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't still understand what a bad debt is.
Bad debts means in grade 11 we can discuss bad debts. In grade 11, bad debts means we can't recover. We can't recover. Let's say like this. Let's say Devmi has a business. Devmi has a business. Devmi has a business. Devmi has a business. Let's say Devmi has a business. Then let's say yes, Devmi has a business. Then Devi sold let's say Devi sold 15,000 products to Himalaya. Devi sold 15,000 products to Himalaya. And then Devi sold 5,000 products to Inuki. Devi sold 5,000 products to Inuki. Then තමයි double entries sales account credit, debit account debit, sales account credit, debit account debit. Okay, that's a double entry. But later, because of some reason, Devi is unable to recover cash from Inuki. Okay, Inuki missing from Sri Lanka. Okay, Inuki missing from Sri Lanka. Inuki driving a boat to Inuki driving a boat to go to Australia. It's in Papua New Guinea. Inuki missing from Sri Lanka. Then now Devi knows that she can recover 5,000 from Inuki. And she can recover 5,000 from Inuki. Then this 5,000 should be recognized as bad debts. Bad debts means unrecoverable balance. From this letter, now Devi cannot recover 5,000. Himalaya agreed to pay 15,000, no issue, no problem. But Inuki missing from Sri Lanka. Therefore, Devi need to pass a double entry. Debtors account credit, bad debts account debit. Bad debts account debit. Bad debts means one of the expense account. Bad debts means one of the expense account. Okay, expense account of the business. Now we can discuss again now. Bad debts we'll discuss in grade 11. In chapter 5 we'll discuss, right? Okay, right. Is it clear?
It's clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. Right. Then quickly go to grade 10 textbook again. Right, Lamai. Page 142. Go to page 142. Go to page 142. And then here lastly, I think we highlighted. Here, purchase journal and sales journal. You need to highlight purchase journal and sales journal. Please highlight purchase journal and sales journal. Please highlight purchase journal and sales journal. Those are called specialized journals. Purchase journal and sales journal are called specialized journal because we record one kind of transaction in purchase journal and sales journal. They are called specialized journals. Specialized journals. And then here you can see some of the examples that we can record in general journal. You can write down these examples. And these are the examples of transactions. In the general journal, we can record some transaction. For those transactions, these are some examples. Here, first example is purchase of a machine on credit basis to use in the business. Purchase of property, plant and equipment on credit basis. Purchase of fixed asset on credit basis. For that one, this is an example. For that one, this is an example. And the next one, purchase of land on credit basis to expand the business. Purchase of land on credit name. Now this one also an example. Now this one also example. Example for purchase of fixed asset on credit basis. One of the example. And then my third one, owner uses goods for the business. Owner uses goods of the business for their own use. This is belongs to adjusting entry. For the adjusting entry, one of the example is this one. Stock drawings by the owner. Stock drawing, either owner can withdraw cash or stocks. Okay, then This is stock drawings of the owner. Lamai one of the adjusting entry. Stock drawings one of the adjusting entry. Okay, these are only examples for those transactions. Okay, right. And the line, I think last year we discussed these things. Again, right there. To revise the knowledge, I give you this idea. Because most of the schools do not discuss general journal properly. Okay, I have seen so many students requesting to explain general journal. Right. Then students here, accordingly, this is the meaning of general journal. Accordingly, transactions that are not recorded in other primary books are recorded at first in general journal. You need to highlight this one. And then journal vouchers is also you need to highlight this one also. Journal vouchers is also. Okay, right. And then I go to page next page. Structure of the general journal. Structure of the general journal, and then this is the narration. For every transaction recorded in the general journal, a brief description known as narration is written. Okay, you need to write down the brief description. That brief description is called narration. For each and every transaction that we record in general journal, we need to write down a brief description. That brief description, a small description is called narration. 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 Okay, right. Now here you can see one of the example now. Equipment account is silver and company credit. And then here, now look at this para. There are several transactions. Right. Here, Lamai. Right. Tinuri. Tinuri, read this para, Tinuri. Tinuri, read this para, Tinuri. Tanvi, read this para, Tanvi.
There are several transactions that are recorded in the general journal. Out of these, corrections of accounting errors and adjustment entries are discussed at this level.
Right, Lamai, please highlight correction of accounting errors and adjustment entries. But Lamai, purchase of fixed assets on credit basis also discussed. Not only these two. Purchase of fixed assets on credit basis also discussed. Right. Need to highlight. Need to highlight. Right, Lamai, that is the end of primary books. That's the end of primary books. Okay, primary books part. Then, Lamai, quickly we will discuss. Lamai, did we discuss lastly instant cash transaction through electronic media?
No, sir.
Right. Lamai, quickly we will discuss adjustment. Adjusting and we will discuss in grade level. Maybe. Grade level,
Okay,
chapter 5 adjusting entries. Right. Then, bad debts, one of the adjusting entry, one of bad debts. Right. Grade 11. Grade 11, chapter 5 discuss adjusting entries. Grade 11, chapter 5. Grade 11, chapter 5. Page number 69, grade 11. Accrued expenses, income receivable, bad debts, depreciation. Adjusting entries. Grade 11 discuss. Right, Lamai. Quickly we will discuss instant cash transaction through electronic media, through electronic technology, and after that I will give you the diagram. And after that I will give you that diagram. Okay, right. Quickly we will discuss. Okay, these things you know. Okay, these things you know. Therefore, no need to spend much time. Quickly we will discuss. Right, ළමයි? Grade 10, page number 144. Quickly we'll discuss, quickly we'll discuss. And after that, we'll write down the diagram. Very important diagram. I will give you very important diagram today regarding primary books. I will give you two diagrams. Two diagrams. Need to write down two diagrams today. Right. Quickly we'll read this one. Right. Yasindu. Yasindu, read the first para, Yasindu.
The methods of conducting business activities have changed with the development of technology. Today, there is a trend of conducting business activities via technological methods. Following are some instances where transactions are conducted using technology.
Lamai, in a business, transaction of a business can be done via technological methods. Via technological methods. These are some of the transactions. These are some of the transactions conducted in the business using technology. Using technology. These are the transactions. Some of the transactions. Right. First one. Manager. Right. First one. Manager.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Computerizing accounting process instead of manual reading in books.
Right. Computerized accounting process instead of manual recording in books. Yes, right. Lamai, neither. Lamai, in grade 10 and grade 11, as well as in A level, we study manual methods of recording, manual methods of preparing financial statements in the business organization. Manual methods of accounting. But in a business, we can learn computerized accounting process. Okay, most of the businesses in Sri Lanka use computerized accounting processes. Okay, without using books. Okay, without using books to maintain ledger account. Right. Second one. Kama, you know these things, quickly read it. Second one, this is the second one.
Use of telephones, text messages, and emails instead of communicating through letters with customers and suppliers.
Without sending letters, now we use telephone, text messages, email, WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, Instagram, we can use different methods to communicate our ideas. Right. Next one. Tinuli, can you read this one? Tinuli missing, missing, right? Tarun, second, third one, Tarun.
Payment of water bills and electricity bills through the internet.
Right. We can pay water bill, electricity bill, telephone bills through internet. Right. Next one. Tanvi.
Use of checks, debit cards, and credit cards instead of currency notes and coins.
Right. Debit card, credit card, these are called e-money, electronic money. In grade 11, we can discuss electronic money. The electronic money, electronic money. Grade 11, in chapter 1, we can discuss. Right. Next one. Setum.
Obtain accounts details and conduct transactions through the internet without going to the bank.
Right. Obtain account details and conduct transaction through the internet without going to the bank. Yes, without going to bank, we can do bank transactions. Right. Next one, Sarah.
Conduct sales through electronic equipment such as point of sale machines.
Point of sale machine is on. Point of sale machine is there. You have seen in Cargill Food City, Hill Supermarket. Okay. With a cashier, there is a computer, monitor, and a system. Then that system is called barcode reader, monitor, keyboard. Then that system is called point of sale machine. In the in Kagilpur city, Kiel supermarket, Love supermarket, you can see neither a separate a system of machine, a system. Okay, with the cashier. Then that system is called point of sale machine. Okay, right. And then over here, these transactions conducted using this technology should also be recorded in the payment books and process ledger accounts. Although you conducted this transaction through these technological methods, but you need to record this transaction in payment books and need to be recorded in ledger accounts. Although you use technological methods to record transaction, now you can't. You need to record this transaction in payment books and ledger accounts. You can't avoid. Can you say that fabric manufacturers use simple weaving machines at first, but today they use modern technology methods? Yes, Asna. Yes, right, Nether. This is now grade 10 under technological environment. Technological environment, yes, right. Correct. Right. Right. And then here, transactions conducted through mobile phones. One of the development in modern business world, transaction conducted through mobile phones. Right. First para. You know these things, huh? Quickly we read. No need to explain much. Sara, then run it.
Spread of mobile phone network all over Sri Lanka has revolutionized the day-to-day life of everyone. Mobile phones with latest technology has vastly changed the business world as well.
Right. Without a mobile phone, now we can't live neither. Now it is a need, I think. Some kind of need. Yes, some kind of need. Without a mobile phone, you can't live. You can't live. Right. Next one. Next point, Naditi. Next point, Naditi.
The vastly used mobile phones in Sri Lanka are now used to settle payments in businesses. This mobile-based settlement system was first introduced to Sri Lanka by a private telecommunication service provider in 2012.
Vast used mobile phone in Sri Lanka now used settlement. Now used to settle payments in businesses. Using mobile phone, we can do settlements. We can arrange payments. Okay, we can do transactions. This one introduced by one of the private telecommunication service provider in 2012. Dialog company first introduced in 2012. Conducting payments through mobile phone. I think this is easy cash. Easy cash or something. Oh. Right. Enough. Lamai, go to page 145. Right here, use of mobile phone make it easy to conduct business activities. Use of mobile phone make it easy to conduct business activities. The following are some advantages. Advantages of using mobile phones. Advantages. Lamai, these are advantages. These are the advantages of mobile phone. Using mobile phones. Right. Nadilya, first advantage. Nadilya.
Ability to communicate information quickly with any party related to the business.
Right. We can communicate information with other parties. Okay. We can communicate information with other parties. Right. Second one, menu read.
Easy to conduct banking activities via mobile phones.
Yes, we can do banking activities through mobile phones. Right. Next one, Madesh. Third one.
Easy to obtain required information to take business decision by browsing internet through data connection of mobile phones.
Right. Lamai, if you can, we can get information through the mobile phone by browsing Google Chrome. Right. And then Isra. Isra, read this for Isra.
At present, most banks provide mobile banking facilities to their customers. These services are known as telebanking services. The following tasks can be accomplished using the telebanking facility.
Right. Now here, at present, most banks provide mobile banking facility. Now please highlight mobile banking facility. Using mobile phone, we can do bank activities. Please highlight mobile banking facilities. And then these services are known as telebanking services. Now please highlight telebanking services. Telebanking services means neither telephone banking services. Telebanking services. Telebanking services. Telebanking services. Telebanking services. Okay, right. Otherwise, these are the tasks that can be done through telebanking services. These are the tasks that can be done through mobile banking services or telebanking services. What are the activities? First one, Irishma. Right, Irishma. First one, Irishma. Right, Inuki. First one, Inuki. Right, Inuki. Check the bank account balance. Check the bank account balance. Right. Next one, Hirotya. Second one. Hirotya. Next one, Hirotya. Irishma missing. Hirotya missing. Right. Next one, Himaya. Himaya. Hirotya, my key is not working. Right. Himaya. Second one, Himaya.
Obtain bank statements.
Yes, obtain bank statement. Right. We can obtain bank statement. Okay. We can right. Right. Next one, next one. Payment of electricity bill and water bills. Next one. Transfer funds from one account to another account. We can transfer funds. For example, you transfer to my account. Right. Next one. Place orders for checkbook. We can order checkbooks through mobile phone. Right. And then here we can see some advantages of telebanking facility. Some of the advantages. Right. Some of the advantages. Right. Right. Yasindu, read these advantages, Yasindu.
Ability for businessmen to control their funds without going to the bank at any time and anywhere.
Right. Next one, Yasindu, again. Read the note, Yasindu.
Easy to conduct transactions. Financial transactions can be fulfilled quickly. Save time and effort. Problems of safety when transporting coins and notes is absent when using the telebanking facility.
Right. Here, first one, ability for businessmen to control their funds without going to the bank. Yes. Without going to bank, we can manage our funds. And then easy to conduct transactions. Financial transaction can be fulfilled quickly. Quickly we can transfer. Right. Cash. Next one, save time and effort. Last one, problems of safety when transporting coins and notes. No need to transfer coins and notes. Like that. Through internet, we can do banking activities. Right. Right. Then here, computer-aided accounting. Computer-aided accounting means insurance without using manual systems, without using books to record financial transaction. business use computers. Business use computers. Using computers, conducting accounting activities belongs to computer-aided accounting. Computer-aided accounting, right? Right. Read this para. Tisasna, read this para. Tisasna.
Currently, most businesses have computerized their accounting activities. Accounting data, the input is entered to an accounting software and the required accounting outputs are obtained. The day-to-day transactions are entered into the computer system. This data is recorded, stored, interpreted, and communicated to the stakeholders of a business using computers.
Right. Through computers, we can record, right? We can record transaction of a business. We can record transaction of a business, and then we can prepare financial statements through computers. Okay, right. Go to page number 146. So my next page. These are some of the accounting softwares. These are some of the accounting softwares. Aspect, QuickBook, Myobi, Sage. But nowadays we can't see Aspect software. We can't see in Sri Lanka. Aspect, businesses are not using Aspect. But QuickBook, sorry, some of the business organization using QuickBook. QuickBook software. QuickBook software. Myobi also we can see. Sage also we can see. But in one of the government organization, I have seen Sage accounting software, but I haven't seen Aspect or Myobi. QuickBook, most of the small scale business use QuickBooks. Right. Sage also I haven't seen, but in I have seen in one of the government organization, they use Sage accounting software. Okay, right. And then these are some of the advantages of using computers for accounting activities. Right. First one. Tisasna Tilivisi. Tarun, first one, Tarun.
Time is saved as transactions are quickly recorded in the accounting system and financial reports are automatically prepared.
Right, now please highlight. Time is saved. Time is saved. Time is saved. Right. Second one, Tanvi.
Money is saved through reduced labor requirement.
Please highlight money is saved. Saving money. Right. Setung.
High level of accuracy in accounting reports is possible because those reports are automatically prepared.
Right. Lamai, please highlight high level of accuracy. High level of accuracy. Next one, Sarah.
Ability to obtain the relevant data easily and quickly.
Right. Right. And then what are disadvantages? Disadvantages. Pranitha, first one, Pranitha.
The risk of deletion of data due to power failures, computer viruses, and other technical faults.
Right. The risk of deletion of data. Please highlight the risk of deletion of data. Right. Next one, Pavitran. Pavitran, second one, Pavitran.
Risk of unauthorized access and charging of computer data.
Right. Risk of unauthorized access and changing computer data. Please highlight risk of unauthorized access. Risk of unauthorized access. Neither. Hackers may enter into your system. Hackers. Right. Next one. Next point, Naditi.
A large sum of money is required to purchase computer software.
Right. It requires large sum of money to purchase computer system. Right. Now that is the end of chapter 10. That's the end of chapter 10. Right. Chapter 10. Now up to now we discuss primary books. Again, I am not going to discuss primary books with you. Primary books. Right. Discussing primary books is over. Right. Now in grade level again I will revise your knowledge. In time to time we will revise your knowledge. Right. The line we'll take now time is 9. We'll take 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes break, it means we'll start again at 9:10. We'll take 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes break, I will give you two diagrams. Two diagrams related to primary books and accounting. Extremely important diagrams. Okay? Tamai, please take 10 minutes break. We'll start again at 9:10. 9:10. Right, now I will start. Now please write down the topic. Process of accounting. Write down the topic. Process of accounting. Topic: process of accounting. At first, write down the topic: process of accounting. Process of accounting. Right. Setu, can you see the board, Setu?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Process of accounting, na? Right. And the insurance process of accounting starts with what? Right. What's the first step of process of accounting?
Double entries.
No. Before double entries.
Transactions.
Transactions.
Yes. Transaction and events. Now I write down transaction and events. Transactions and events. Transaction and events. Right. Now I transaction and events discuss in your grade 10 syllabus. Now I what's the page number? What's the page number of transaction and events? Huh? Now my transaction and events discuss in which page? In page number 49. Now I go to page number 49. Page number 49 discuss transaction and events. Now I page number 49 discuss transaction and events. What do you mean transaction? Transaction now here. A transaction can be identified as an exchange of resources between a business and other parties. Exchange of resources. Accounting process starts with transaction and events. Transaction and events. And what are events? Some of the incidents happen in the business. Events. Okay, these are some of the example for events. Okay, there, right. Now, after occurring a transaction or events, second stage one. Second step is what? Second one?
Double entries.
No.
Double entries.
No. Source documents. You need to create source documents. Source documents. Now, please write down now. Source documents. Now, second one is source document. In most of the exams, examiner tests this accounting process. Okay. Therefore, try to get the idea. In most of the papers, examiner tests transaction events and then source documents. And after that one, after source document, next is a page one. Next one.
Prime entry books.
Yes, very good. Primary books. Primary books. We prepare primary book. You prepare primary book. Lamai, source document and primary book discuss in page number. Page number 80. Page number 80 of your textbook discuss. Page number 80 discuss. Alamai, please write down here page 49 now. Page 49. And then source document and payment books. Tamai source document and payment book discuss page number 80. Page 80. Page 80. Source document and payment book discuss page number 80. Tamai you can see a list in page number 80. Look at the page number 80. Grade 10 textbook page number 80. Tamai go to page number 80. Tamai page number 80. Grade 10 textbook page number 80. Okay. Payment books and source documents. Right. And then and after payment books, next step is what? What's the next step? Next one.
Double entry.
Yes. Preparing what? Preparing?
Ledger accounts.
Yes. Very good. Preparing ledger accounts. Preparing ledger accounts. Ledger accounts. Lamai, what are the types of ledger accounts? You need to write down this process, huh? Transaction and events, source documents, payment books, and then ledger accounts. Lamai, what are the types of ledger accounts?
Asset, equity.
Yes. Assets, those are elements of accounting. Assets, equity, liability, income, expenses, those are elements of accounting. Then what are the types of accounts? Asset account, liability account, equity account, income account, expense account. Those are the types of accounts. Elements, asset, liability, equity, income, expenses. Lamai, if examiner asks you to write down types of accounts, then asset account, liability account, equity account, expense account, income account. Then here we prepare ledger accounts. We prepare ledger accounts. What are ledger accounts? Asset account, liability account, equity account, expense account, and income account. And then after preparing ledger accounts, next step is what? Next step is what? What's the next one?
Financial statements.
Correction of errors.
No, trial balance. Trial balance, trial balance. Trial balance. Chapter 11. Trial balance, chapter 11. Chapter 11. Grade 10, chapter 11, trial balance. Trial balance. Okay, our next lesson. Our next lesson. Right. And then after preparing trial balance, next one is what? Next one. Preparation of, yes, financial statements. Financial statements. Financial statements. What are the financial statements? Grade 11. In grade 11, we can discuss financial
Profit
statements.
and loss statement and
Yes, and then
Production
and then the statement on financial position.
yes, very good. Profit and loss statement and profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Statement of financial position. Am I write down? Financial statements. Profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5. Financial statements, profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5. Grade 11, chapter 4 and 5.
So correction of errors.
Correction of errors not belongs to that is not belongs to process of accounting. Okay, if something happened in this process of accounting, you need to correct. That is not one of the step. If an error is occurred, you need to correct that. Okay, through the process of accounting, we can't add that. Anyway, good question, huh? Right. Right. Now my financial system. Then my next step is what? Next one. Now my next step, last step is what? Last one. Huh? Disclosing this information to
Bank
state.
reconciliation.
No. Disclosing this information to stakeholders. Bank reconciliation belongs to primary groups. Belongs to primary groups. Okay, in primary books, you need to prepare reconciliation statement. Now my next one is disclosing information to stakeholders. Providing information to stakeholders. Providing financial statements to the stakeholders. Providing financial statements to stakeholders for their decision making requirement. For their decision making requirement. For their decision making requirement. Providing financial information to stakeholders for their decision making requirement. For their decision making requirement. Nilamai, what is the objective of accounting? Objective of accounting is what, Nilamai? Objective.
To provide information to the
Providing
stakeholders
information to stakeholders.
Yes,
for
yes.
decision making.
Providing information to stakeholders.
Yes,
For decision making.
Yes, right. The purpose of accounting is to provide information to stakeholders. Nilamai, to provide information to stakeholders, you need to prepare financial statements. Okay. But before preparing financial statements, you need to prepare trial balance. Before that, ledger accounts. Before that, primary books. Then accounting is a process of providing financial information to stakeholders. Objective of accounting discussing introduction to accounting. I think in chapter 4, yes, in chapter 4 it discuss page 48. Page 48 discuss objective of accounting. That's providing information to stakeholders. That's the purpose of accounting. Okay, right there, Lamai. This is the process of accounting. Right, in most of the times, examiner test this process from you. Therefore, don't forget this process. Very important. Very important. Lamai, in next month, in most of the schools, you may have right, exams. I think most of the schools provide provisional paper. Provisional paper. Therefore, Lamai, definitely in the provisional paper, you can see process of accounting. One of the MCQ question. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේකේ question එකක් තියෙනවා තමයි. Process of accounting එකේ අනිවාර්යෙන් question එකක්. One of the compulsory question. Okay, one of the compulsory question. හරි. අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙනවා. Right. 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 And then අපි අම්බාලා next diagram එකට another important diagram belongs to primary books. Another important diagram belongs to primary books. අනිවාර්යෙන් ළමයි මේකේ තියෙන question එක. අනිවාර්යෙන් තියෙනවා. Right. Right. then ළමයි there is no topic for this one. For the understanding purpose, write down this, please draw this diagram. Only for the understanding purpose. Right. Right. Lamai, a business. A business. A business. Lamai, business purchase. Business need to purchase. as well as business need to sell. Business need to sell. Now I purchase and sell. Purchase and selling. Business purchase products and business sell products. Business purchase products and sell products. And then now I business will purchase. Business purchase stocks. Now another word is inventory. Business purchase stocks or inventory. And business purchase fixed assets. Fixed assets are non-current assets. Non-current assets, either land, building, that kind of item are non-current assets. Non-current assets. Business purchase fixed assets, all are non-current assets are non-current assets. Business purchase stocks fixed asset. All are fixed assets means non-current assets, neither land, building, machines, equipment, that kind of long-term assets are long-term assets. Right. And then business purchase stocks on cash basis. On cash basis. If a business organization purchase stocks on cash basis, where they recorded at first? Where they recorded at first, the prime menu book?
Cash book.
Yes,
Cash
very
book.
good. Cash book. If a business organization purchase stocks on cash basis, the primary book is cash book. Then here they record in cash book. Cash book. And then now give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Hello. Right, now business purchase stocks on cash basis, then they record in cash book. If a business organization purchase stocks on credit basis.
Purchase journal.
Yes, very good. If a business organization purchase stocks on credit basis, they record in purchase journal. Purchase journal. Purchase journal. Alright. If a business organization purchase stocks on credit basis, they record in purchase journal. If they purchase on cash basis, cash book. Cash book. Okay, right. And then insurance. If a business organization purchase fixed assets on cash basis, where they record?
General journal.
General journal.
Now they purchase on cash basis. Then cash outflow. Then purchase of non-current assets on cash basis need to be recorded in cash book. They purchase on cash basis. Therefore, need to record in cash book. Tell me here cash book. Cash book. Cash book. And then other insurance. If a business organization purchase fixed assets on credit basis, where they record?
General journal.
General journal.
Yes, general journal. General journal. I know my general journal. General journal. Now, Please draw this diagram. Quickly draw this diagram. This is the purchase side. Draw this diagram. This is the purchase side. Stock purchase on cash basis, cash book. Stock purchase on credit basis, purchase journal. Fixed asset purchase on cash basis, cash book. Fixed asset purchase on credit basis, general journal. Now, if you haven't draw the diagram, quickly draw the diagram. Fine. Okay, then fine. Fine. Now, fine. Done it right. And then my next slide. Now I when business organization sell stocks. Okay. Business organization sell stocks. If business organization sold stocks on cash basis, now if business organization sold stocks on cash basis, where they recorded first?
Sales
Cash book.
cash book.
Cash book. Cash book is a primary book. If a business organization sold stocks on credit basis,
Sales journal.
Sales journal.
yes, they recorded sales journal. Sales journal. They recorded sales journal. They need to be recorded sales journal. And then students, when business organization sold fixed assets on cash basis or credit basis. Now,
Cash
whether
book.
the business organization sold the fixed assets on cash basis or credit basis, whatever method applied, they need to record these things in general journal. Now, whether they sold fixed asset on cash basis or credit basis, they need to record this transaction of fixed asset sales in general journal. Double entries related to sale of fixed assets should be recorded in general journal. Okay, now I know that when you're selling fixed assets on cash basis or credit basis, there are yes 4 or 5 double entries to pass. Okay, there are 4 or 5 double entries to pass. Therefore, sale of fixed assets on cash basis or credit basis, whatever method you apply, you need to record in general journal. Need to be recorded in general journal. Okay, need to be recorded in general journal. Now, sale of fixed asset not discussed in O level, not in O level. Therefore, no need to worry about sale of fixed assets. No need to worry about sale of fixed assets. Okay, then, right. Right, Lamai. Diagram is finished or not? Send a message. Done. Done, right. Okay, right. Okay, right. Can you tell what is the record of credit basis from the stock in sale? Which one? This one. Purchase journal.
No, sir, in the selling side.
This one. This one. Cash book.
Yes, sir, in the credit basis.
Sales journal.
Thank you, sir.
Sales journal. And the credit sales of stocks. Recording sales journal. Done it right. Done it right. Done it right. Right. Now, that's the end of chapter 10. Chapter 10. Now we start chapter 11. Chapter 11. Chapter 11. Preparation of trial balance. I think before starting grade 11, normally within 6 months or 7 months we can complete grade 11 syllabus. Okay, ne? In grade 11 syllabus we have only 4 theory lessons, only 4 accounting lessons. Okay, ne? Those accounting lessons are not half lessons. Quickly we can quickly means okay, ne? You can get the idea. If you know the double entry knowledge, if you have the double entry knowledge, you can complete those accounting lessons quickly. Therefore, I think it is better to discuss papers, papers, because we have exams. So, therefore, we discuss papers, papers. Better to discuss papers. At least 1 or 2 papers. The term exam. Right, now we discuss trial balance. Correction of errors, we will discuss time to time. Okay, for small questions, time to time, I will discuss correction of errors. Spending few days to discuss correction of errors is useless. Okay, step by step, we will discuss correction of errors. Step by step, we will discuss correction of errors. We'll see, we'll see. We will see. Right. Then trial balance. I go to chapter 11 of your textbook. Now I go to page number 148. Now I go to 148 of your textbook. 148. Trial balance. Right, let me go to 148 of your textbook. Trial balance. Now in the trial balance, we can enter balances of all ledger accounts. Now by including balances of all ledger accounts, we prepare trial balance. We prepare trial balance. Okay, I'm not going to discuss everything available in the textbook. Please highlight this area at first. Please highlight this sentence at first. The list which is prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balance of ledger account is called trial balance. Somebody please highlight this one. We prepare a trial balance now. We prepare trial balance now. The list which is prepared at the end of the period by including all the debit and credit balances of ledger accounts. Now by including debit and credit balances of ledger accounts, we can prepare trial balance. Now I already discussed. Okay, with accounting equation, we discuss double entries. When we discuss in double entries, we have discussed the method of preparing trial balance. You know. Okay, we have discussed. Okay, right. Already we have discussed. Already we have covered chapter 11. But anyway, we will discuss another one or two questions. All right. Adelamai, please highlight this one also. Now please highlight. If the trial balance agree, following two facts can be confirmed. Now please highlight this note, this one. If the trial balance agree, if the trial balance is equal, following facts can be confirmed. Following facts can be confirmed. What are the facts? The values debited to the accounts are equal to the values credited to the account. It means debited values equal to credited values. If the trial balance is equal, it means debited values equal to credited values. Second one is ledger accounts have been balanced off correctly. Ledger accounts have been balanced off correctly. Okay, these are the two facts confirmed through a trial balance. These are the two facts confirmed through a trial balance. Okay, right. Yeah. Now we will go to question. I will explain trial balance. I will explain trial balance lesson. Okay. Chapter 11. I will explain trial balance using a question. We will prepare ledger accounts and then we will balance off ledger accounts. We will prepare trial balance. Okay, at first we will prepare ledger accounts. We will pass double entries. By passing double entries, we will prepare trial balance. Okay, right. Now, textbook. In your textbook, go to page number. In your textbook, go to page number. In your textbook, go to page number 75. Go to page number 75 of your textbook. Page number 75. Go to page number 75 of your textbook. Page 75. Right. For this question, we'll prepare ledger accounts. Now, for this question, we'll prepare ledger accounts. For this question, we'll prepare ledger accounts. Right. Now I go to page number 75 of your textbook. Right. For this question, we'll prepare ledger accounts. Now we'll prepare T account format ledger accounts. No need to prepare structured format ledger accounts. We will use T account format. T account format. Right. Now please write down trial balance chapter 11. Topic is trial balance chapter 11. Topic is chapter 11 trial balance. Trial balance. And then page 75. Actually, correct. Now I first prepare a cash book. Please draw a T account for cash book. And after that, other ledger accounts, pure ledger accounts. Right now, shall we start? Right now, shall we start? No, Sarah, after preparing ledger accounts, we need to pass those double entries in the ledger accounts. But here, for that question, we will completed only general part. Right. After recording transaction in general, we need to record them in ledger accounts. Right, now shall we start? Naditi, shall we start? Naditi.
Okay.
Okay, right. Isra, shall we start? Isra.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Right, then I'm here. I will explain to you only few transactions, but that's part you can do at home. Right. Then transaction number 1. Transaction number 1 here. Well, look at the transaction number 1. Here, following are the transactions that occurred in a business during the month of March 2024. Write the double entry for is now I no need to write the double entry. We will prepare ledger accounts. Here write the double entry. But here for this question, we prepare ledger accounts. Right. March 1st. Here introduce capital by the owner 200,000. Now what's the double entry?
Cash book debit 200,000. Capital account credit 200,000.
Yes, very good. Yes, Lamai, neither. Transaction for this one is cash book debit, capital credit. Lamai, right, neither. Lamai, no need to grab double entries. Don't grab double entries. Try to get the idea through. If you don't have double entry knowledge, try to get the idea through cash book. Then it is easy. Try to get the idea through cash book. Then it is easy. Lamai, cash book, cash inflow, debit. Again, I will reverse your knowledge. Cash inflow, debit. Cash outflow, credit. Debit side and credit side. Cash inflow, debit, cash outflow, credit. Cash inflow, debit, cash outflow, credit. Then here, owner introduced 200,000 capital to the business. Now, then if owner provided 200 to the business organization, cash inflow or outflow.
Inflow.
Inflow.
Okay. If owner provided 200,000 to the business organization, cash inflowing, receiving cash to the business. Then cash inflow debit. Am I clear? Is it clear? Am I Himaya? Clear, Himaya? Himaya, cash inflow debit. Debit to the cash book. Huh? Cash book debit, cash inflow. Himaya, clear, Himaya. Right. First March. Cash inflow, then cash book debit. Cash book debit, here 200,000. 200,000. Cash book debit, this 200,000 you need to credit into opposite account. If cash book debit, cash inflow debit, then if cash book debit, then to the opposite account you need to credit. Cash book debit, capital account credit. Capital account credit. If you debited to cash book, then definitely to the opposite account you need to credit cash 200,000. Cash 200,000. Now I try to get the idea through the cash book. Cash inflow debit, cash outflow credit. If cash book debit to the opposite account, you need to credit. If cash book credit to the opposite account, you need to debit. Get the idea through cash book. Get the idea through cash book. Don't cram anything in the any double entry in the book. Try to get the idea through the cash. Okay, try to get the idea through cash. Cash book debit, capital account credit. Okay, clear? Is it clear? Now, do you have any doubt regarding the transaction? Hirodya? Inuki?
No, sir.
Not right. Right. Now, next transaction. Cash purchases 50,000. Cash purchases. Cash inflow or outflow?
Cash outflow.
Cash outflow.
Cash
Yes.
outflow.
Yes. If cash outflow, cash book debit or credit?
Credit.
Cash book credit.
Yes, cash book credit.
Cash book credit.
Yes, tell me. Cash book credit 2nd March. Cash book credit 2nd March 50,000. Tell me. Cash book credit 50,000. Tell me. What is the name of opposite account?
Purchases.
Purchase account.
Yes, very good. Purchase account. Cash book credit purchases. Purchases. And my purchase account debit. Purchase account debit. 2nd March. Cash 50,000. Okay, the cash book credit, purchase account debit. If cash book credit, definitely to the opposite account you need to debit. You need to debit. Okay, to the opposite account you need to debit. Right, right. Now my next transaction. Next one. Next transaction, third one. Third one. A payment of monthly rental 10,000. Now, payment of monthly rental 10,000, 3rd March. Cash inflow or outflow?
Outflow.
Outflow.
Yes, cash
Outflow.
Yes, cash outflow. Then, if cash outflow, cash would debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit.
Cash book credit 3rd March. Rent. Rent, yes, rent. Rent 10,000. The opposite account is what? Rent account. Then rent account debit 10,000. Rent account debit 3rd March. Cash 10,000. Okay, the cash book credit, rent account debit. Cash book credit, rent account debit. Right. Now, likewise, try to pass double entries at home for this question. And if you can, balance of ledger accounts and then prepare the ledger balance. If not, anyway, we discuss this one next day. Next Tuesday, we can complete chapter 11. Next Tuesday, we complete chapter 11. And then after that, we can start papers.
Sir, can you tell the double entry for the 9th question?
9th one. Invested in a fixed deposit 10,000. Here, in a commercial bank, we can open 3 types of accounts: savings account, fixed deposit account, and current. Grade 11, chapter 1. Then here, if you invested 10,000 in a if you invested 10,000 in a fixed deposit, then cash outflow. Then cash book credit, fixed deposit account debit. Fixed deposit one of the asset account. Fixed deposit one of the asset account. Okay, then asset decrease, asset increase. Cash asset decrease, fixed deposit asset increase. Clear?
Understood, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, right. Yes. Then at last, yes, balance. Yes, right. And after completing ledger accounts, you need to balance up all the ledger accounts. Then balances of ledger accounts you need to transfer to trial balance. If you don't have any idea, next day we'll do. Then try to complete ledger accounts. Then it is easy. Then it is easy. Yeah, right. Anyway, next Tuesday we'll complete this lesson now. And after that, we'll discuss some of the papers. I think it is better to discuss in papers because you have 3rd term test exam. 3rd term. Yes. Yes, we'll do papers, huh? But I think grade to complete grade level lessons, it will take 6 months or 7 months. Quickly we can complete grade level lessons. Okay, quickly we can complete grade level lessons. Normally, to complete grade 10 syllabus, it takes some time. It takes some time because a new subject. Okay, therefore, therefore we need to explain. Okay, so many things. But in grade 11, that syllabus quickly we can complete. Okay, right. And then I have started my new grade 10 classes in Panora, Wattala, ISM Nugegoda, and Baththaramulla, Thineth. If you have some brothers or sisters, please send us message to them. Okay, right. for physical classes, and then my online class is Thursday 6 to 8 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. Thursday evening 6 to 8. Okay, after 2023 O-level exam, that grade 10 new grade 10 class transfer to Thursday 8 to 10 p.m. Okay, right. Anyway, I will send that post also. No, Satum, no. I'm not doing classes in Nigambu. Only Nugegoda, Baththaramulla, and Wattala. I don't have time. That's the issue. Right. Now I finish up for the day. Finish up for the day. Try to do these ledger accounts, and then next day we will complete the question. Okay. I will start papers. Right. Telamai, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good night. Okay, right.